Last month, I went to Russia for vacation. Even though I don't know Russian language, but I didn't had any trouble recognizing the street names. All thanks to Google Translator. This is just one simple application among many applications of neural network. Neural network is a field of deep learning, which is subfield of machine learning, where the algorithms are inspired by human brains. Neural networks takes in data, train themselves to find the patterns in the data and predicts the output for new set of similar data. Let's see how neural network does that. Let's take an example where neural network classifies the square, circle and triangles. Neural networks are made of combination of neurons. These neurons are the processing unit of neural networks. First is the input layer, which receives the input. Next is the output layer, which predicts the output. In between exists the hidden layer, which performs most of the computation done by neural network. You might wonder, how much time does any network take to solve the problem? It may take many hours, even months to train, but time is a reasonable trade-offs when compared its scope. Let's see the prime application of neural network. Facial recognition. Camera in smartphone these days can estimate the age of a person based on their facial feature. This is neural network at play. First, it starts by differentiating the face from the background and then correlating the lines and spots of your face to the possible age. Next, forecasting. Neural networks are trained to learn the patterns and predict the possibility of rainfall or rise in stock price with high accuracy. Next, music composition. Neural network can even find the pattern in audio and train itself enough to compose the fresh tune. Growth in the field of neural network has been foreseen by the big names. Companies such as Google, Amazon, Nvidia has been investing developing a product such as library, predictive model and intuitive GPUs to support the implementation of neural networks. The question is that if the vision of this huge company enough to replicate the human brain, we have to wait for a few years to get the definite answer. And to begin with neural network and explore its real world application, press enroll button now. I'll see you at the class.